characteristics of respiratory surfaces. 1. They are thin walled. 2. They are wet or moist. 3. They possess large surface area. 4. Some are well vascularized. That is, well supplied with blood. Through capillaries. So these are some of the features a respiratory surface must have. The wall should be very thin, and the body remain wet, have light surface area, and having blood supply to carry out, to take away or bring in respiratory gas.